off, put on, carry on, stack up. Baffling, isn't it? These phrasal verbs are so confusing. But the way we are going to do today is going to make things easier for you. And I assure you, you're going to retain for life, not just for exams. So what are we waiting for? Let's carry on.
You're not ready yet. No. Oh. It's not fitting. I think you've put on. Put on the hat as it's coaching today. Let's go.
I'm looking forward to the program today.
Yeah, me too. Hurry up, get in the car. Ah, he's all in the car. Get out.
Let's go into the other car.
Let's put off today's program. We're running out of time.
No, I'm really looking forward to it.
Let's go ahead. Oh no,
What?
I think we've run out of fuel.
I'll go and look for fuel in the boot. Found it.
Oh wow, coming. Let's go. Oh no,
Now what?
I think I have run over someone.
Let's go and check. Oh no, we ran over a dog.
Pick it up. Let's take him to the doctor. Hurry up. Oh no,
Now what?
the car is broken down.
Oh, then we need to take it.
Hurry up. Let's go walking. Hey, hurry up. The dog will die.
Relax, don't freak out.
We need to rush.
Watch out, look around.
Hey, look out! There's Corona outside.
Where? How can we see it?
Go get specs and see it.
Ha ha ha, very funny. Well, leave it.
But looking ahead, I wonder if this little monster would attempt a single soul. But for how long shall we wait and look on?
Let's go and meet Dr. Sharma.
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
Be cautious! Don't run into the tree!
Thank you.
Robot, take off the cap. Robot, turn on the TV. Turn up the volume. Oh, that's too loud.
Balmy, fun in the sun climate that will give you fun.
Turn down the volume. You turn off the TV.
And dragons living amongst us. This year.
Thumbs up if you like my video and subscribe if you love it. Although same phrasal verb may have multiple meanings, but we will discuss the common ones or those discussed in the video to avoid any confusion. First phrasal verb which I used was put on. It was used in two absolutely different situations. First means to become fat or gain weight. For example, Sankalp has put on during lockdown. Second meaning is to wear something. For example, put on the hat, it's scorching. Second phrasal verb, look forward, means to feel excited about something that is going to happen. I'm looking forward to meet my students after the lockdown. Get in, another phrasal verb, means to enter or come in a car, taxi, van or a room. Jinal got in the car to avoid rain. Important point to note here is that we use get on instead of get in case of bigger vehicles and those without the roof. For example, get on the bus, get on the bike, get on the ship, get on the train. Put off, that is to postpone. For example, Inika has put off her plans to visit Kashmir. Run out, we have used in the following context. First, not much time left in which to achieve something. For example, we are running out of time. Second meaning is to come to an end or to finish. We have run out of fuel. Fifth phrasal verb, look for, means to search, try to find. For example, Arjun is looking for a new job. Sixth, go ahead means to proceed. The program is going ahead as planned. Now, our next phrasal verb, run over, has multiple meanings, but we are just going to discuss two of those. First, to drive over, causing injury or death. As you saw in the video, I ran over a dog today. Second is to describe briefly. Before we start a project, let's just run over the rules, is one of the examples. Now, our next phrasal verb, watch out, means to be alert or vigilant. You should better watch out for the wild animals. Next phrasal verb, freak out, means to suddenly express anger or excitement in a visible way. The sight of injured dog freaked Aramik out. Run into is another phrasal verb used in the video, which means to collide with or to enter by running. For example, Riddhi ran into the tree while cycling. Another common meaning is to meet someone unexpectedly. If I say I ran into Keshav at a bookstore. 11th phrasal verb, take off. It's commonly used for flights and means to leave the ground and begin to fly. Shh. For example, flight took off at its scheduled time. Another meaning is to remove an item of clothing from the body. As I used in the video, Denzel took off the hat as it turned pleasant. Turn on and turn off. Although there are n number of ways to use these phrasal verbs, but the meaning of turn on used in the video is to start a machine, electronic device, or light. Please turn on the TV. Please turn on the tap. Turn off, meaning just opposite to turn on, is to stop a machine, electronic device, or light. For lights, we can use turn off, shut off, or turn out, but for machines, only turn off or shut off. This is important to note. At number 14 and 15 are turn up and turn down. We will discuss the most common uses of these two phrasal verbs. Let's begin with turn up. It means to increase volume. For example, turn up the radio please. That's my favorite song. Second means to appear. Tanishka finally turned up for the meeting. Second, that is turn down, means to decrease volume. Example, could you turn the music down? It's too loud. Another common meaning of turn down is to decline or reject an invitation or an offer. For example, Path turned down the job offer at the bank. A surprise for English learners, those who can't afford to join regular classes, I have started a Facebook group for all those who wish to interact and clarify their doubts related to English. It will be your own group where we can learn and interact with fun. Link of this group has been shared below in the description box.